Hey, what's going on everyone, Link here and welcome to my video. Today we're going to be doing a little renovation in the closet just like this one. I've got some shelves in here. This is a regular closet that had nothing in it except for that bar over there on top, which I kept on the side so I could hang my clothes over there, whatever has to be hanged. And the rest of the way I made little shelves like these. They are 24 inches in length and 12 inches in width. So you could of course get different sizes of boards and stuff like that, but I thought this would look nice and this is enough for me. So I've got this, and on the front, a little in the front area, I got a little bit of space for some stuff to hang and everything like that, and keep the stuff to the back, and left a little space for a laundry basket there as well. So I'm going to show you how to do everything like this. If you want to do it in your closet, this is some easy work, and this took only about $25 to $30 of materials to get. So let's get to it. Before you drill anything in the wall, you got to make sure there's no plumbing on the other side. So in this case, we don't have any plumbing on the other side, but I do want to find the studs with the stud finder, so when we drill these in, they're nice and strong on the wall, and we can make sure that we can put any kind of weight on it. So there's a stud here. So I'm drilling T20 screws onto this. You could pretty much use any screws, honestly, but I love these screws, so I always use them. There you go. See how strong that is already? I'm gonna put 3 screws on the wall, and this will be very secure. So this side, and then I'm gonna put one on that side. Obviously you're not gonna this is gonna be like toward the middle-ish area, so we're not gonna have a lot of we're gonna have a lot of space in here, but we're gonna use small little tiny screws to connect the board in, so they'll be fine. As I'm doing this, I also got a scrap piece of wood and a level here to just make sure that even on level, so when I put the boards on, I don't look too crooked or anything like that. This will make it nice and even. This is pretty firm. That's what you want. Just give it a little wiggle and everything like that, and make sure it doesn't come out of the wall or anything like that in the end. So this is all good, and in the end, just put your level on it and make sure this is straight. In our case, it's pretty straight, not all the way straight, you see, like this. It's like a little down, but it's okay. So make sure this is straight and everything like that. If it's not straight, what you can do is whatever screws that you added here, I think you could just untighten them a little bit. If you tighten them too much, they probably shift up a little bit or something like that. So adjust those, and that'll probably fix this up. For the next shelf, I just want to put it directly above this because I feel like this spacing is perfect for shelving clothes and stuff like that, and we could maximize the amount of shelf that we can put in here. So I'm just gonna use a little straight edge, anything like a ruler or something like that, to just make sure that we are even with both of the bottoms of our clamp here. And first thing that I'm gonna do is screw this and then these two to make sure they're nice and even like that, and same thing on the other side as well. And this is the final product. This looks amazing and nice and new. Look at this.